Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sista Chic, Paris Nights, and Maniology M179 and Bam White OPI color paints, and primarily yellow and magenta muse. And here we go. I'm going to show y'all something I don't do very often, but I just wanted to share it and show it. See, I was ready for a nail polish change, but I've got on these tips and they were already painted. And I don't want to take it off like with acetone because it would melt my tips. So what I'm doing is I'm just buffing the shine off of this and I'm going to paint right over top of it. Now I know a lot of you have probably done this before because it's doable. I am taking the shine off of it so that, you know, the new polish has something to stick to good. And then after I do that, I'm going to clean it off with some alcohol. Let that dry off a little bit. I had worn this for a few days and I was just ready for something different. So this is what I'm doing. Here is Sista Chic. And this one is Paris Nights. This is a stunning black polish. I'm sad that she doesn't make polishes anymore, but I understood. You know what I'm saying? She did an amazing job on her polishes. I am sad that you can't go out there and buy this. This is really a one-coat black polish. Totally could be. Gonna cap my free edge here. There we go. Tidy that rascal up a little bit. But I am going to do 2 coats because of what I'm doing today. Got to get my little cleanup brush out here with some acetone on it and just kind of tidy up that. I'm real careful with black polish and white polish. So here we go with the second coat. Just to make sure it's all good and ready for what I'm going to do today. I just had some playing I wanted to do and I was being lazy. I'll just be honest. It was just easier to file that down a little bit and re-go. And we're going to top it now with some I&M out the door. And get that to dry down. Now, I'm going to let you know I'm a little sinusy nasally. So, I do apologize for the sound of my voice today. Alright, Maniology M179. I'm going to use this image with Bundle Monster Maniology's Bam White. Got out a cube stamper and a scraper. And we're just going to stamp this on all the nails. Now, this one didn't turn out as I kind of saw it in my head, but y'all ended up wearing it for well over a week. And it's because I got sick and I didn't have a choice. I had some kind of stomach something going on and it knocked me out, y'all. So we wore this and looked at it. Now, Mr. Moon Baby really liked this because he likes manicures with serious, you know, pop value, you know, where you can really see the contrast. So he really liked it. Me, like I said, it wasn't what I was expecting, or what I wanted in my head. But we wore it. Had something on the nails. And we got one more here to do. And then we're going to get on in with the OPI color paints. That's what I'll be using today. You could use jelly polishes or, you know, something kind of sheer. And ta-da, there we go. Alright, so we've got to get this cleaned up. I'm going to clean this up with some acetone. Give it a little wipe down. Good wipe down. Kind of just smearing stuff around right now. There we go. And then I wipe over it with a lint-free wipe. You could also use like alcohol. It's supposed to be really good for that last final cleanup. I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape. And I'm trying to get some of this up off my skin. But my skin was so dry from the filing and the alcoholing that not all of it's coming up. So we're going to move on to the next part of it. And get in here with our cleanup brush. And a little bit of acetone. Gotta just go around the edges real quick. Da da da, getting it done. Get her done, you know. Alright, we're almost there. And this looks pretty wild all on its own, but we're going to top it with some smudge-free top coat and then carry on. And I know you can't really tell they're flowers, and that's okay. Here are the color paints that I'll be using today, and this one is primarily yellow. And this red is Magenta Muse. It's kind of reddy pink. I got a little bitty detail brush out here. And I brushed over the top. I'm sorry that I lost that footage. I brushed over the top with the primary yellow. And now I'm going in and I'm kind of doing like where the center of the flower was. I'm coloring that in with the Magenta Muse. And I really should have feathered it out more. But, you know, live and learn. Once that's dried down, I'm going to go in with some more top coat. And today I'm topping this off with the I&Ms out the door. Going to get it all glossy and quick drying. Cap that free edge real quick. But this is it today. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And there is my manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And that is it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.